Hi guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now I'm going to edit some videos on Canva and it's my first time to use the animation feature of Canva, which I didn't know if I hadn't seen the video about Canva animation. Well, Canva has a lot of features and they are always progressing and adding new features. So right, okay. Now let's go straight away to our Canva, and as you can see, I have here the video size landscape for our animation. Now I click elements, and after that we're going to choose what element are we going to use. So I'm actually planning on like a woman walking or a girl walking. I decided to have like a woman walking first, but I find the girl cute and way more colorful and creative, so that's why I choose to stick on a girl walking, child friendly. Alright, so I search a woman walking in the school or inside the school, but unfortunately it's not available. So the graphics that they have here are these pictures and they're not moving. But still I tried this because maybe I can set up. Okay, there we go. No, I clicked the graphics for a woman, and as you can see there's a crown below on the bottom part, and that means premium. You have to subscribe in Canva. It's not that expensive. Or you can there's a lot of animation you can use without any subscription. Now we will choose a background here, which is in the school. So regarding the subscription, there's also a lot of free animation, but you cannot maximize the use of Canva unless you subscribe. Okay, there we go. As you can see, I already put, so you'll just have to set image as background. So you're going to click the image and then scroll set image as background, and there we go. Now all we just have to do is to adjust the girl into a size, desired size, because as you can see the first place she's bigger than the school. All right, now here we go, a little adjustments, and all right, okay, I think this one is better. Now let's go to, okay, now after that is how can we make the girl move or walk, right? So we're just going to click the word animate on the upper part, and then you can see there is the word create an animation. You'll just have just like you just have to follow the example on what the bee is doing like that. So as you can see, I click the girl and then move her to the door. The same thing the bee did. Okay. And after that, you click done. Well, I've been trying some features here because this is actually my first time navigating Canva. Alright. They also have Magic Animate, which we're going to explore, but this time we're trying to animate this one. Alright. Now let's make her transition smooth. She was so fast. You can adjust the speed on your desired speed that you want. All right. Now, okay, there we go. As you can see, she walks, right? She walked to the door because of the animate. The animate. Just click the word animate on the upper part of the screen. As you can see, there's like the word BG remover or background remover, color split, like that. And there's also the animate word right there. Now, okay, so I was like, okay, her feet is not moving, her legs is not moving. So I was like, okay, let's change the animation into a girl walking. And if you scroll down or you scroll sideways, you can see some animations that are walking. So that's why I changed the animation into this. And after that, they will have recommendations on animations that are walking. And now here we have the girl who is walking right here. Now we can delete the little girl. Sorry, little girl. All right. Now after this, as you can see, she's now walking, and all we have to do is click animate. After clicking animate, we can